Quick search. Hello, and welcome to Total Materia, the world's most comprehensive materials database. On our homepage, you can quickly access all our modules, search for materials, and find dates of upcoming webinars. Total Materia is translated in 26 languages and is used in more than 100 countries worldwide. To get the best results of Total Materia, simply enter your material designation number. You can quickly type it in the search bar to find your material of interest. If by any chance you don't know your material designation number, you can refine your search by specifying the standard, material group, or by the type of material. On our personalized message board, you can find information about your account and quickly access your previously saved searches and favorites. Additionally, in the Research Hub, you can find the schedule of upcoming webinars, recordings of past webinars, and guided tours. Guided tours are available throughout the database. Simply click on the icon to open up the movie for the page you're currently working on. We also want your feedback, so don't hesitate to contact us for any questions or comments you may have.